You all in ATM Institute IELTS Speaking Practice channel. This is the fourth podcast of Task 1 Introductory Questions. I request you all again to please listen it very carefully, give special attention to style of speaking and the pronunciation of words. So get ready for the demonstration.
Here I would like to ask some questions related to computer. Do you use computer very much?
I use computers a lot. Actually, I have a laptop. And I like to use it to stay connected with my friends. I also use it for my studies. I like to use it for researching on various topics. And sometimes for my entertainment, I like to watch movies and play games.
When do you use a computer?
I use a computer almost every day at home, usually after dinner. I have different purposes to use computers, especially I use it for my studies, but sometimes I use it for my entertainment also.
What was your impression when you used a computer the first time?
I remember the first day when I used a computer. I was in about 6th standard, and I vividly remember how fascinated and excited I was with my first computer.
How do you learn to use a computer?
Actually, I learned to use the computers through my school lessons. Later on, I get my own personal desktop and home, and now I have a laptop, so I used to learn it regularly.
Have computers changed your life in any way?
Yes, definitely. Computers has changed my life. With computer, especially with my laptop, I am well connected with my all friends and relatives, irrespectively of which part of the world they are in. Also, I use computers for my entertainment purpose. It also helps me a lot in my studies as well. Whenever I have to research some special topics, I can get easily answers from the social networking websites, especially search engines like Google, etc.
Are computers used much in your country?
Nowadays I can say the use of computers has increased greatly in my country too. It is a common household electronic equipment, and almost all the workplaces make use of a computer, especially like in grocery stores, banks, coffee shops, schools, post office, etc. You can see computer everywhere.
Are useful in everyday's life.
Yeah, computers are very useful in everyday life. Well, we can pay our bills, book tickets, shop for anything, set reminders, lot of things we can do with the computers. So definitely it is much useful in everyday's life.
Further, computers are now used a lot in education. What do you think of this?
I think it is a need of the day. It helps to make you to use of computers. It is not only to make the lessons more interesting, it also helps make the children more techno savvy, as technology is used in almost all fields. So definitely it is very much good in a field of education.
Do you play computer games?
Yes, sometimes I play computer games. Especially I like to play word games, puzzles, card games sometimes on my computer also.
My last question of this topic. Do you think computers are perfect now, or do they still need to be improved?
I think the computer's technology in terms of both hardware and software keeps changing, and there is always something that we need to be added as time passes. So I feel in the future there are a lot of changes and improvements that are made to the computers.
Topic for you, being in a hurry. When was the last time you did something in a hurry?
The last time I did something in a hurry was 2 months ago. I remember my exams were going on. I slept really late at night because I was studying, and in the morning I did not hear the alarm. So I get ready in a hurry. And I forget my wallets, even my geometry box at home. So it was really very horrible for me.
Do you like to finish things quickly?
If I don't like what I'm doing, then I like to finish things quickly. Some things are there which I don't like really, but I'm really enjoying when I'm doing something. The things which I really like to do, then I take my time.
Would never do in a hurry.
Actually, I don't like to drive in a hurry or cross road in a hurry. I also take some time to have my meals, and I just don't do these things in a hurry.
Why do people make mistakes more easily when they are in a hurry?
Personally, I feel it is easy to make mistakes in a hurry because the mind is preoccupied. So it is easy to forget certain things. That desires, it has been rightly said that you have listened, I think, hast make worst. So I think it is really a true statement. Whatever you do in a hurry, that more chances to make mistakes.
Move further on next topic, museums. Are there many museums in your hometown?
No, there are no museums in my hometown. There is one museum of our great martyr Bhagat Singh, which is about 30 kilometers away. There is another Sikh museums in Amritsar, in Golden Temple, which is also very popular.
Do you think museums are useful for visitors to use hometown?
Yeah, museums are very useful for the visitors. Actually, museums provide knowledge and information. Personally, I feel they also provide entertainment. Museums have a huge collection of some arts, artifacts, and lots more. So, museums inspire people to do such of things.
Do you often visit a museum?
No, because of my hectic schedules, I don't often visit museums. I visited a science museum about a year ago. This museum is also near my hometown.
Did you go to any museums when you were a child?
I saw Sikh museums in the Golden Temple when I was a child. I also saw the Bhagat Singh Museum during my school days. I remember our school organized an educational tour to the museums, and it was a great memorable moments of my life.
When was the last time you visited a museum?
The last time I visited the museum about a year ago.
Do you think museums are important?
Yeah, actually, personally, I can say museums are a rich source of collection. So it is very important to know about the culture, traditions of that particular hometown or that.
Suitable for museums to sell things to visitors?
No, especially I don't recommend this. I don't think museums should sell things to the visitors. If museums start selling things, then the whole purpose of museums would be lost.
When was the last time you went to a place where people go to dance in your country?
I have never been to any such place where people especially go to a dance. In my country, people especially go to dance in discos, pubs, and clubs. But there are not so much places in my hometown. I love to dance only on my family functions.
When was the last occasion when you danced a lot?
I remember the last occasion I danced a lot was last Sunday. It was my friend's birthday. Very close friend he was. He is actually. He invited us to his home and we danced a lot on that day.
Do you like dancing?
I love dancing. I can say I love dancing. I dance on all family functions like marriage parties and birthday parties, wedding ceremonies. So I love it a lot.
Have you ever learned dancing? Why and why not?
I have never learnt dancing. Unfortunately, there are no so much places in my hometown where dance is taught. All the steps I know, I have learned only from the TV programs and movies or when I just follow someone.
Have you ever learned dancing?
Yeah, as I told you earlier, I haven't gotten chance to learn dancing from anywhere, but I have a good sense of humor. I learned dance to follow some steps of good dancers.
My next question is, why do you think people love to dance?
People love to dance because they can express their joy. Dance in my country is a form of expression. Dance is a good way to relieve tension and worries. So that it's very important that dance also keeps our body fit. These are the main reasons why people love to dance.
Do you think children love to dance?
Yeah, children love to dance because they can express their joy with it. Dance is a form of expressions. I need to mention here, dance is a good way to relieve tension and worries. So that these are the reasons children love to dance a lot.
Do you see dance on TV?
Yeah, I see a lot of dance reality shows like Dance India Dance, Nach Baliye, Dancing Superstar. A lot of TV shows I like to watch.
Okay, move further.
No, I don't like to wear hats. I find them very uncomfortable. Sometimes when I go to hilly areas on my vacations, then I love to wear hats.
What kind of hats do you have?
I have one baseball cap whenever I like to go with my friends. I have some woolen caps for winters. And I have some fashionable hats which I like mostly to use in my vacations.
Where do you like to buy hats?
I usually buy hats at a store where such accessories are available, and some such stores are there in nearby mall. I also have bought a couple of them online also from especially Amazon.
Is wearing hats popular in your country?
Yeah, a wearing hat is popular in India. In different states of India, there are different type of hats that are part of their traditional culture also. They use it as their attire. These days, hats are very popular among the young generation. They wear them as their fashion accessory.
Okay. This is the end of your test.
Thank you very much, ma'am.